On number 2, our encoding matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. So when we are creating our matrix B to put these numbers into, it needs to be a 3-row matrix. Otherwise, the matrix multiplication won't work. So we need to fill up this matrix column by column. So this is what matrix B will look like. And then to decode the message, we need to calculate A inverse times B. So type in this into matrix A on your calculator, this into matrix B on the calculator, and then type in A inverse times B. So this is what we should get, and these numbers are going to correspond to the letters of our message. So that's going to be, and again we have to read it column by column. G, I, V, E, space, M, E, space, A, space, B, R, E, A, and K. So our secret message is, give me a break.